Let's make a YouTube video. Hey, let's go. Meow. Go next to that. Go next to that. So cool. But we're going to Mount Helena. We're gonna be riding back in the dark. But 20 kilometers back in the dark after dinner to go home. I did not agree on this, and my parents made me do this. I am currently on a bicycle, and I just swallowed a fly. I'm just gonna clean it down. I swallowed a fly. Swallowed a fly. Fly's going. Look at that stick, mate. Look at that wiggly stick. It's beautiful. That's sticky. Look at it. Oh, look, it's stick on the ground. Sticky on the ground. Sticky on the ground. Sticky on the ground. Just gonna make random videos of sticks. Beautiful. Give it up, sticks. Oh.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it falls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It means
Hello. It's too hot. We're gonna find a big one. I see one up ahead. Time lapse. How much horse poo? We found it, guys. I'm nearly gonna bite it. There's a horse poo. Yeah, mission's complete. I'm gonna do this for the content, so you know, going down in here. Oof, I don't think I've got enough space to get back. Ah, the tree! The tree. Alright, now I gotta do. And right here, we gotta be finally here. Mount Helena. Look, now look at that number plate. No, he's not. Let's go down here. That was just for fun. Okay. Get out. Just get out of here. December. Yeah. Can't see. And let's go. Let's go. Why am I so scared? Yeah. Go here. Go by. Yeah. It's fine. Oh. Ah! Out of my content. Fail. Quick tips for your viewers. How to make content. Fail. Push your bike up a hill. I knew I was going to crash in the end. Okay, let's get back on and ride. Let's go speed. Why am I in first gear? in the sky. It's getting darker in the sky. It's getting darker in the sky. Wait, okay. Just wondered if there was a tunnel. Didn't know what the hell is that? Look at that. It's like a teepee made out of wood. Made out of wood! Natural trees! But are we going the right way? Could have just told me earlier. So I think you turn left. No, I think you turn right. No, you turn left. Yes! The hell did you stop for? You stopped, so I stopped. Look, if... Oh my god.
I didn't. I
just gonna go in front. Very dark out here. I'm just chilling, still chill. This is the motto of the week, boy. Still chill. And it's getting so much darker. And it's getting much scarier. I don't know who to trust. I am riding in the dark. I can't see anything. It is getting so dark. I didn't even see it. I just ran past it without even looking. I'm just gonna point my light up at me. That's not changing anything. We're going fast. We're going fast. I don't know how this looks. I'm just videoing right now. It's really scary. We're about to go into a tunnel. If you don't know, where's the tunnel? Can't see it. Can I have my head torch when we go into tunnel?
Huh?
Can I have my head torch when we go into tunnel? What? Okay. Okay, wait, I need wide angle.
When I say
Come on, widey. Okay, I think the first one's the best. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get ready. Go, okay, you can sit like here, I look like. Yeah.
how you put it.
Okay. I see my city lights. I am coming home. And the GoPro is at 28%. And I'm just riding in the dark to my city, even though I can barely see it. Okay, I'm going into the tunnel of doom. Instead of Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, I've got Min the Sun and the Tunnel of Doom. I do not see the end. Yes, I think I see the end of the tunnel. I think I see no light at the end of the tunnel. But I see the end. The end is very endy. The water, the smell, the outside. We're out into the hot Aussie air. Subscribe!